obviously Bed Wars with the one and only. Bro, I was doing my intro with the
Join,
one and
join.
only.
Great team, great team. Oh,
Green. Okay, grey. Okay, where is grey? Okay. With
well.
the one and only Egyptian Sobek.
Yeah, I'm not the one and only. I have 50 million copies.
The first and many Egyptian Sobek.
Oh wait, red team are rush just left. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Time
He's
to
like,
go.
he does the rushing, I do the defending, kinda.
Eh.
We like switch roles a lot.
Oh, okay. Wait,
And
bro,
I take like
volleyball
100
favorite
years
match.
to reach him, and then he's like very angry. Then
Yeah.
I'm very happy, and then yeah, we have fun.
Wait. Straight. Okay, straight rush time. Bro,
You go,
unique
you
map.
go. I'm just defending one layer. Just defending one layer. No.
Yeah.
We are doing the some random volley. I mean, bed wars guy strat that we are going to only put one layer
Wait,
defense.
what? Oh my god. Okay, bro, you bridge. I can't bridge.
Bro,
Speed
I
bridge.
need a okay. Why
Yeah,
you?
bro, you can bridge. You can bridge. Speed bridge. Come on, Ox. Speed bridge. Okay, I can. I think I should extend this. Nice. Nice. Okay, wait. Wait. Stop right there. Just like distract the guy. I'm getting tools.
Okay, I have
Use
tools.
tools.
I
Yeah.
have tools.
You have tools. Go. Wait, do you have blocks?
Yeah, no, I have only 16. That's why.
That's fine. Go. You can go. Speed bridge. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Just jump.
You
Jump down.
jump first, bro.
Okay, wait. Okay, so I'm going to kill him. You just get him. Okay, get.
Got to
Oh,
bed.
oh. He threw everything out. I feel so bad for him. Wait.
That was the only guy, right?
Oh wait, bro. I need the resources. Come. Wait. How much gold?
I got diamond iron armor.
Great. Without consider. Yes. Got. Wait. I got. Okay. That was nothing. Something, but nothing. So. Wait. Why did you place endstone next to the ender chest? Ux, look, you place endstone next to the ender chest.
Okay, yeah, that's so. That's
Okay.
One second.
Green team.
I'm coming.
Nah, bro. Green team in. Okay, wait. I have to take care of this. I hate these people. I died, but he clutched. Okay, bye, Ox.
I'm really sorry.
Bro, green destroyed me. Yeah.
Oh damn! These are kind of good. Yeah, restart. I'm really sorry. Like, guess.
It's fine. Our bed is not gone.
Oh, we were on some other guy's base.
Wait, where is green? Where's green?
I
Wait,
actually don't know.
Is green fighting?
I actually don't know. Where are you going, bro? Where
I'm
are
going to
we going?
green.
Where do we have to go? So many.
Just like take care of the base. If you, I hate green team. Why? Do some both spam. I hit him twice while in midair.
I'm having so much fun.
Ux, we're gonna die
Why? Oh.
because green teams are terrible. Because green team has like a empty base next to him.
Oh, damn, bro. They are just insane. They know like everything about Bed Wars, and we are playing on a random server we found like 2 minutes ago.
I got one. Wait, how can he clutch? I hate
Bro, they
these.
have like everything. They are everything, bro.
Okay, time for butterfly clicking.
Bro, don't spam.
Okay, I'm dead.
Okay, I can combo him. I can get one guy.
Get one.
Get
Get one.
I could have gotten one. Okay, we are having
Okay,
an amazing recording today. We already lost the first game.
Bro.
Yeah.
Let's play Skywars.
Nah, bro. Let's try to get some views on this game, bro. Please.
Okay. Pink team. Pink.
No, bro.
Wait, why red?
White. We don't have choice.
Bro.
White, red. Okay, red.
Okay, red. Yeah. Bro, red team. We are the red.
Tomatoes. The tomatoes. We are the tomatoes.
No. That is wrong. That's wrong. Red stands for the
Why
Soviet
are we on
Union.
the same map? I literally love this map. I don't like this map.
Wait. No, bro. The grey team member is the same guy that destroyed us.
Bro,
Uh-huh.
why? Come, why do they purposely? Oh, we just came in the same game. I feel like it's like all this
Bro,
is a
listen to me.
simulation and
Single defense, it
all
doesn't
this is
matter.
a stimulation and we are just okay. I will
Oh, wait,
just
what? Wait. Are you being called?
no.
I can't go up. Sorry, guys.
Where are you bridging? Oh yeah.
Bro, blue
Why
team
are
is
you long
rushing.
rushing? Oh,
Yeah,
they.
blue team is rushing us. Bro, I know the rule. If you long rush, you're stinky. Okay. Blocks. Bridge. Ux bridge.
Okay, I'll
Wait.
bridge. I don't
Bro,
know
but
diag. Who told you I know diag?
bro, you can. Okay, wait, go. Wait. It's fine. It's fine. You can just jump. We can jump.
You jump.
Just wait. Okay, wait. He's placing it with K. Got the bed, and one of them guys like good at Minecraft. So I got one behind you. Wait, another guy's going up. The other guy's going up. The other guy's.
Get him.
I have nothing. Wait,
Where is
they both.
he? Oh, up there.
He's up there. Wait, if you can go to him, then you should.
Oh, he's on the way. He's on the bridge. I'm behind him.
Go.
Oh.
Wait, what? Green team is. Oh wait, bro, free base. Wait,
Yes, I got it first.
Wait. You have a stone sword?
Yeah. Sorry, bro.
Give me the gold.
Bro, without the stone sword, I wouldn't have been able to get anything. Please.
It's not bad, but give me gold, please.
Okay, here
Oh,
I have
never
four.
mind.
I have this
Never mind.
this much. I have like this
Don't
much
give
iron.
it. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me.
Okay, I'll keep it then. Should I take a fireball or no?
Nah, it's it.
Okay, I have 40 wool. We have to go.
40.
Should we go
wood,
to green? Green is free.
Yeah, it is free. Bro, staircase.
No, green is empty. They left. Green is alive.
Yeah, I know. Wait.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
I
going
know.
to the gen. I'm going to the gen. Free gen.
Yeah, you
And
go
you
to
go
free jam.
to mid. You go to mid. I go to gen.
Guys, I can speed bridge, okay? Trust me.
Speed bridge better than me though.
Oh wait, I'm on the
Free
correct
bed.
side.
Free bed alert.
Bro, you could have like left that and for the end of the video.
Oh right. Leave
Wait,
it.
wait. Ox. Yeah, 2 M's in each gen.
Oh, I'm coming.
Anybody like around me? Wait, Aqua is on last and yellow's destroying. Oh god, our Aqua team is very bad. Okay.
Okay,
Wait,
I see you. I'm coming to you.
Wait, is Gray coming towards us?
I don't know.
No, bro. Wait, Gray is going to come towards us. Okay, help. There's a second batch of emeralds. You get the second batch. Okay.
Okay, I'm trying to bridge towards them first of all.
Bro, I've already bridged. No, bro. Oh, why are you bridging to? Bro, I've already bridged. I've already like bridged, but it's fine.
Okay.
Oops, I guess.
Is that you? Are you red?
Yeah, I'm red.
Yeah, I saw someone. Yeah.
Blocks.
I have 27.
Bro, I have 1.
Okay, I'm coming. Meet me at the junction.
Bro, just. Oh god, what was that sound? Okay, hey, behind you.
I have 0 blocks now.
No, wait, bro. Take half.
Okay,
Take
leave it
14.
on the ground. I'm coming.
15.
Do you think that's enough to leave there?
Yeah, bro, wait. How much do you have? How much?
Oh, yellow on me.
Just run, okay? We use my bridge, okay?
Yeah. We both collected the.
Are they fireballing us?
No, not at all.
Let's go.
I have three M's.
You have 3?
Yeah.
I have 11.
Okay, give me some.
There you go. 1, 2, 3. I gave you 3. Get diamond armor. I know it's toxic, but it's all we got.
Yeah.
Guys, always bring 2 stacks of blocks on any Bedwars map such as these. Because it really helps, doesn't it, Rux? Oh, I'm gonna buy a knockback stick. I'm gonna destroy these people. Yellow team, yellow team.
What? Where? How? When?
He's at our base. He's at our
Oh,
base.
oh,
Yeah.
oh, yellow, 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 yellow. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. What? No way.
Okay, wait, wait. Leave him. Go back. Come back.
Who destroyed a bed?
Yellow team.
Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow is
Where?
literally here.
Wait, no, come back. The other guy's on top. We need to just.
Should I buy something? Can I go to my ender chest?
It's your choice. Wait. Ox.
What
Regen
am
potion.
Give,
Take one emerald.
Regen?
Regen, bro. It will help. Actually, but sorry, I wanted to buy jump, but it's fine.
Okay, fine. Now I got it.
We've got prot 2 diamond. Okay, one of them is the okay. We gotta say I'm drinking up. If you want to drink, you can.
I'm not drinking now.
Yeah, sure you can, bro.
Bro, tell me if they attack. I'm literally buying stuff.
I'm splitting him. Wait, you're buying stuff?
Should I fireball him? Should I fireball him?
Yeah, fireball.
No.
Now. That
He
did
didn't
something.
follow.
Okay. Wait.
Bro, stall him. I'm buying 2 more fireballs.
Bro, what? How am I supposed to like destruct?
Bro, you are supposed to stall him.
Yeah, so he's being stalled. Bro, wait, why are we playing like where are you?
I'm here.
Are you outside? Where is
I'm
he?
literally ring around the Rosie behind you.
Where is he's up there?
Oh, he's
Yeah,
there.
but-
He down.
Okay, yeah, he got me. He's pretty good at this.
You just came to know that he's pretty good.
Yeah, he's going to our base. Run. Go. Ox, behind me.
I
Behind
can
me.
fireball him.
If you want, it's your choice. I'm going to like
Shit.
do something. Ox, literally, just come to green base.
Where is green base?
Green base. Bro, this bridge, just build up.
Okay, yeah, I see you. Oh,
And one-
nice.
Do you have any leftover M's?
No. You
Wait,
only
wait,
give me
wait.
6, bro. I'm not joking. Continue. We are going to yellow. Okay.
Big man. He's behind. Run.
Bro, why is he so scared of us when like...
Bro, yeah, I kind of showed him a knockback stick.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Ruk ja, I will...
Wait.
yeah.
Bro, wait. Pop-up tower time?
Yeah. I'm buying like 10 of those. First, let me
I have 4.
I am buying fireballs and then I'm gonna get Papa Towers.
He's a ox. Whatever you do, just do something. Wait, why are we being scaredy dudes? You can't place pop-up towers.
Bro, I can.
Oh yeah, sure, then do place it.
Okay, I fireballed him!
You missed. You landed it, but he clutched.
Okay, he
Time to
jumped
go.
off. He was scared.
Time to go, brother.
What? You're going? Bro, can you tell me a little earlier? Oh, okay, you're going up. Did you drop him?
Nah, I didn't get
Oh, it's that guy.
things about him. If you want, you can go up. If you want, you can go
I'm
up.
regening. And then I'll
And he has
fireball up.
potions.
And then I'm fireballing up! Oh, I literally fell down straight. Like I fell straight down.
Yeah, I know. Wait, bro. Should we just like leave him and speed bridge over?
Bro, he
wait.
will actually get us. Like 100% get us.
Ox. Wow, Ox. What if we just go to the bridge and spam pop-up
Wait.
towers?
Fireball, you have fireball.
Wait, no. Wait, he's in the pop-up tower. Wait, don't. That's a trap.
I'm going to fireball fireball up. I'm going to fireball up. I'm going to
If
early.
you want, if you
I'm going
want.
to fireball. I'm going to
No,
fireball.
no. Come from out. Do it from outside, bro. The pop tower is good. If you
I'm
want
going to
to.
pop a tower. I'm going to pop a tower.
Yeah.
Mm. What should I do? You're going up?
Bro, he boxed himself. Punch his feet, punch his feet, punch his feet. Foot trap.
Where is his feet?
Okay, he's out,
No,
he's
no,
down,
no,
he's down.
no, 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 no. Oh! He's
Bro,
so
wait.
irritating.
Bro, why don't we just go to the base? To his base, okay. I'm going to his base. Screw it.
Okay, I'm following you.
He is behind us. But
Okay,
okay,
let's build
spam
a
pop up
pop-up.
now. Spam pop up, okay?
What do I have to do, bro? Tell me.
Bro, okay, wait. Where do you want to go? Wait, did
You
you
tell
do
me,
that?
bro.
Okay, fine. Let's go.
I'm putting a pop-up tower down. Oh, bro, you box me out. Box me out.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, fireball me. Bro, why did you box me out?
Wait, what? His teammate is over here? Okay, I did. Yeah, I did. Bro, wait, what? What do you mean you box? I told you. You're blaming me for everything?
Bro, it's just him. It's just. Oh, I'm dead.
Yeah, I
Yeah, we
did.
should start another game.
Nah, bro. Let's play Sky Wars, please. Let's play some other game.
Bro, everybody knows we are going to team in that.
Yeah, so who cares?
Okay, fine, start a game.
Which game?
Sky Wars. And then we'll do a duel. Like, obviously, I'm going to lose, but.
Okay, guys. So, if our video gets 10 likes, or any likes at all, like
Bro,
like
I'm going to 100% get like 90 likes on this. I'm telling you.
okay,
Trust me
if
on
my
that.
video if my video gets at least one like, if my video gets at least one like, then me and Aks will do a 1v1.
Bro, we are going to do it today anyways.
Oh, Ox, I see you. Look. No, other way. I see him. Okay, so yeah. Look at this guy. He has iron. His iron cages. I don't trust him a bit.
Bro, why am
It's
I not commentating? Usually I commentate in these
Yeah,
videos.
he always does.
Okay,
Okay.
anyways, it's a new start, like YouTube. We're
Yeah,
not,
it's new for
bro,
everybody.
with like the internet dying out of its resources and everything turning like cringe.
Sharp 2, that's not bad. I can be
Like,
his hacks.
oh, nice.
That's useless. Legs. Legs. I do have legs. What can I not? I don't have pick. Wait. It's simple. Okay, that's not bad.
Oh, yes, I'm like stack. I'm coming to you.
It's your choice.
Actually, I'm going mid.
Yeah, sure, you can do it, bro.
Bro, come mid quick.
Okay, that guy has some other kind of things.
Bro, can you please come to mid quick?
I'm at mid. Stop, buddy.
Hey! Bro,
I have a sword.
I guess this is looted. Let me just check.
Okay, I have speed pot.
Oh! I straight up just got a guy. Like,
Okay, Ux. Wait, what?
oh,
Yes,
damn.
does not back in this mode. Yeah, I'm
Damn, there's
dead.
like a fight
I
going
have
on here.
nothing.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I know. You're dead. You're
Bro,
dead.
I'm dead.
Yeah. You know what? Let's not play Skywars. Let's do some other kind of thing. Okay.
Okay, yeah, fine. Like, what are you
There's
going to
any
do?
Bro, you tell me. Let's do any type of duel that you want.
Fine, let's go to lobby.
Okay. You now Ux. Now Ux has to surprise me with a duel. A random duel.
Like, I'm horrible at everything.
Nah, he's not horrible at everything. He's lying, everybody. He landed a combo on me and I died. He was on half a heart.
Yeah, sure, bro. Sure.
Wait, what?
We are doing
Okay.
this.
Fireball fight. Okay.
Like, I'm usually horrible at everything. This is something that I'm partially good at.
Okay. Oh wait, I can't just. I
Bro,
died.
I
I
died too, bro.
died.
I lost this fireball. I have to die. I lost a fireball.
What?
Yeah, I lost
Uh,
a fireball.
yeah, but how? Wait. You actually lost a fireball. That's like something. But wait, you can TNT jump, bro.
Bro, you think I'm that? If I were that pro, bro. If I were that pro.
You know, you can just jump that if you want. Okay, Ux Gamer is coming me. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, he got me. See, guys, I told you Ux Gamer was better
Bro,
than me.
you don't know how easy he went on that.
Okay, now it's half a heart.
No, that time I was like really good. Ah, I hate this.
Oh, it's fine, bro. I
Bro, it's
also hate
probably on
things.
my base. Bro, I hate you. Oh, bro, I know what he's gonna do. It literally.
Bro, I'm TNT jumping. I lost my TNT. You can't TNT jump in this game.
That's the only reason it's called Fireball Duel.
You can't make that jump without sprint. Okay, you know what? I'm just like something. I'm terrible at this game now.
You and me both, though. You. Oh.
Yeah, I actually wait. Okay,
Come
Ux Gamer is.
to me, boy. Come to me.
I serious. I hate Ux. I hate this game.
Bro, come to me. Come to your friend.
I hate this game. I actually can't do this. I can't do anything. Mm, mm.
Bro!
See, guys, I told you Ox Gamer is too good at this game. I swear, if I die. Okay, wait.
Bro, that calls. If you call me that good.
Bro, I'm talking about the fireball. I landed and block clutch. Okay,
Oh, you're
this is
not
not
talking about me.
winnable
I
for
thought you were
me.
talking
I
about
can't
me.
win this fight. I only have like 3 fireballs.
Bro, I'll be waiting for you here.
Okay, fine, bro. I'm coming. Oh, what is excuse me? Play again. I'm playing again. Oh, best of what? Wait, what? Huh?
I
Um,
left.
yeah, I left as well. Okay, Ux.
Now you send me a
And
duel, bro. Guys, I'm not joking. How I win that, I really don't know. I
nah,
actually
I
don't know.
told you guys.
I'm usually like bad at this game. He probably went easy or something. I'm not joking.
Nah, bro.
This guy's
Okay,
like,
Now since we have done 1.8, we're gonna do 1.9 duels.
oh, we're going to Milia.
Mm. Huh?
We're going to
Nah,
the.
wait. Okay, no, wait, no. We're gonna do that Mine Malia one later. So first, let's go to
You send
Okay,
me a duel request.
we're gonna go to Bed Wars or Sky Wars. No,
You
fireball
anything,
fight.
bro?
Another fireball fight.
Fine.
Guys, I told you, Ux is actually good at this. He's cracked. He won on camera. Now,
Bro,
oh
it's
wait, this
just
map
a
is
little
easy.
party trick.
Oh, this map is better. This map is so better for fireballs.
Egyptian Sovic! Bro, look at that! Look at that! Bro,
Okay,
you
got
tell
it.
me that I am good, bro. Look at him! When he's actually
Okay,
trying
Veda.
to win.
Okay, got it. I died to my own TNT. Did the TNT damage your defense?
No, I literally just fireballed you. That's how you died. And
Oh
then
wow,
I
you
fireballed
did.
your TNT, which made you die.
Okay, I did.
Bro, look! He's actually trying now. Look how horrible I'm playing. He's actually
Nah,
trying now.
gamer isn't that bad. I saw him die though. Oh, the enjoyment.
See?
GG's.
I told you!
GG's, everybody. Okay, yeah.
Play
So
something else,
now,
bro. You know how much I hate PvP.
okay, bro, wait. How about a 1.9 duel?
No, I told you I'm done. I'm done with views, bro. Guys, you might just call me a person with no sportsmanship, but you try playing every day with this guy and losing.
Okay, now you, bro. You want to play 1.9?
I said no.
Fine, bro.
You know how much I hate this, bro. All you got just one thing to say, bro. Got no sportsmanship, but it's so difficult. Just looking at yourself losing is
Fine,
like,
Ox. What do you want to play?
bro. Okay, yeah, you tell me, bro. Like
Stick
something where we
fight,
both can team.
a team.
Yeah, something where we both can play. I'm going to lobby.
Okay. So, guys, as you know, Ox Gamer for me, it's a tied 1-1. Okay.
It's not tied. He literally purposely failed the first round.
Do you want to play Murder Mystery?
Yeah, sure. That's something I can do.
Okay, but listen, Ox. We can't tell. Okay. Wait, are we in a party or no?
I think so.
Yeah. So wait, solos or teams?
Okay,
Oh
no,
wait, you can't.
solos.
Let's play Murder Mysteries. Are you
Solos
there?
is better, bro. Then we'll
Okay,
play teams.
let's
Oh,
play.
nice! We already started. You're here, right? Okay, yeah. So I'm the killer, guys. As you can see, just
Ah,
kidding.
oh, yeah, thanks. Wait, are you? Are you
No, no,
really
no, no.
killer? Are
I'm
you
not.
really the
I'm not.
killer?
I'm not.
I'm the detective. I'm the detective, brother.
I know you're the killer, bro. I looked it in your eyes.
Hmm.
Bro,
Can't.
already
Wait,
someone's
already a
dead.
dead body.
Egyptian. Bro, I'm
Yeah,
staying with
I
you.
saw it.
I'm
I
staying with you. I'm
saw it. Yeah.
staying with you. I'm staying with you.
Oh, God's sake, no, don't
No,
stay
no,
with
I'm
me.
actually staying with you. Bro, I know eventually you will kill me, but
Oh my God! Wait. Oh God, that guy has a bow.
oh, bro,
Wait,
he thought I was the killer. He
wait.
thought
No,
because I was
I
running
know the guy.
because I was running behind you, he thought I was the killer.
Wait, I know. I think so.
Where's you? Where are you, Egyptian?
Nowhere,
Bro,
nowhere.
why does everyone think I'm the killer? I told you I'm not the killer, bro. I was innocent. What you were you?
What? Oh my
Oh, bro,
God.
I doubt you are the killer. You can tell me now.
I,
You are the
I
killer?
am.
Bro, seriously?
Oh, a gamer.
Bro, you are the
Oh,
killer?
a gamer.
Oh, you died.
Yes.
You're not the killer.
Oh wait, what? You died too?
You died.
You died?
You died.
You died?
Yeah,
I'm
I died from
asking
it.
you. Oh wait, start new game,
Yeah.
bro.
Bro was
I
not
got
the
jump
killer. Bro
scared.
was actually not the killer. He was trolling. He was hard trolling. I'm gonna just title this Minecraft mini. Oh, yeah.
Wait, we have a map. Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait,
Bro, I
it's
should
kind
have
of a
read the
goated
instructions.
chat.
Bro, murder is behind me. Murder is behind me. I know who's the murderer.
Yeah,
He's behind me.
obviously it's behind you.
What? Did I just... Bro, there is zipline in this game. I'm not joking. I literally just ziplined.
Where? guys,
bro,
more
bro,
of the
come
bus
follow me.
minutes.
Where are you? Oh, where are you? Where are you? There is literally a
Uh,
zipline in this game. I'm not joking.
Nah, you're luring me to zipline to
Bro,
murder
I'm
me.
not joking. Ah, let's go, let's go.
Okay,
I'm having so
I'm
much. Where are
I'm
you? Where are you?
parkouring.
Bro, serious.
Can't jump.
Bro, where are
That's
you?
sad.
Seriously.
Okay. I feel bad. Okay, I'm gonna do this parkour. Wait, what? You can't do this? Okay, wait. Let me check this out. My sprint is activated. Wait, oh, is it because of the fence? Ox, where are you?
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Oh, the detective has been killed.
Oh, 1 second.
Bro, you're AFK. You're begging to be killed. I just walked
Okay,
past
yeah,
you.
yeah, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back.
Oh, Aksuke, who's the killer? You don't know, and I don't know. Oh, somebody picked up the bow.
Yeah,
Okay,
the.
somebody. Oh, the
Bro,
detective
who
has been killed.
is killing the detective so nicely, bro? Who is built different, bro? Oh, I won the bow!
You have the bow. Okay, so kill the killer.
I don't know who's the killer. What? How did I die? I didn't even use the bow.
No, somebody must have killed you then. Oh no, it's a 1v1 axe.
No, you're dead. You have to find the bow or you're dead.
Oh, it's only one person. Wait, I'm dead.
Oh, yeah, then start again.
Or wait, okay. After this, can we play a different game?
Yeah, 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 sure. At least once let me become the murderer, bro.
Imagine if we both are like murder detective.
Oh, that would be so funny.
Damn.
That would be so funny, you know.
Hey, Ax,
That
want
would
to
be
be
so
with me?
funny if I were the murderer. That would be so funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or I
Um,
was
uh,
the detective. That would be so funny.
Ax, do you want to be with me? Like,
Yeah,
stay
sure.
with
Where are
me?
you?
Yeah, no. So like, you can be with me, and then we
Yeah,
both
where are
can.
you? Where are you?
I'm roaming around.
I'm
Wait,
near the green screen.
are you in the tree?
No. Oh, this is
Okay.
you? Hey, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come
Okay,
here,
yeah.
come here.
Yeah, I'm gonna come.
Look at this, look at this.
Okay, nah. Okay, nah. He has a bow. Oh god, he's a detective. Oh god.
I'm the detective in this city.
Detective?
I'm the detective in this city. Detective, I'm the detective, bro. Bro, you can trust me now. You can stay with me. No, bro,
Don't
you are
you?
the killer, bro. No, bro. Bro, tell the truth, tell the truth, tell the truth. You're the killer, right?
Bro, why would bro? What would be
I
the fun
would
of the
really
game?
shoot you right now. Stop right there.
Okay,
Stop right there.
nah. I am
I'm
the killer.
literally
I
going
am
to
the
shoot
killer.
you right now.
I am
Say
not the
the truth,
killer.
say the truth.
I am not the killer. I am
Then
not the
stay
killer.
with me right here. Stay with me.
Bro, I need gold. I need money to buy my own. Oh god! Wait, I know. Wait. Okay, cross teaming guys, but the guy who just went in this building is the killer.
How do you know?
I saw him kill a guy. Oh, my
How does
gun.
it? Oh, you can. Yes! Oh!
Yes.
No!
Oof. Okay, yeah, some random guys
Okay,
running over
let's
here.
play something else. What are we playing today?
Wait.
Oh, you're the detective now. Kill him.
Let's go, I got him. Yes.
Let's play one more round. Last round.
Okay,
This
bro.
was so
Bro,
fun.
I killed him.
This
Bro,
was
let's
actually so
go.
fun. Bro, I was using you as the bait, but then start again.
Why? You left?
Yeah, I accidentally left.
Okay. Yeah, so we can start a new game, Mind Malia.
No, just one last round. This.
Oh
Bro,
man.
it was so
But
fun. You know it.
fine.
When we are not innocent, it's so fun.
Okay, bro. Fine. One last
One
round.
last. Then we can do parkour.
Parkour.
Yep,
Okay, fine.
hardcore
A
parkour.
parkour race. A parkour race.
Maybe.
Oh my god. These chances are like very high. They're looking very high for me.
Bro, I'm wishing you all the best.
Yeah, I'm wishing you all the
Bro,
best.
bro,
Bro,
please
bro,
don't.
I landed that bow shot in the last. It was clutch.
Bro, that was cool. That was cool. I was trying. Bro, yeah.
You got innocent.
What else?
Yeah. Come near me, bro. I'm going to show you candy. You will love candy.
I think you're the you're the killer.
Why
You
would I
look
be the
very
killer?
killerish.
Don't upset the plague doctor. He destroys them. He doesn't simply
Oh
kill
no
them.
no no! I know you're the killer. I know you're the killer. I saw you holding sword. I saw you, bro.
I'm
There's no
not the
hiding. I saw
killer.
you.
Yeah, so?
So you are the killer.
Okay, he's lying, guys.
I literally saw you.
Ux, lying is a very bad activity that some bad people do. Wait, I'm gonna do this Neo, guys, okay? I missed the Neo, okay.
Okay, if you're not the killer, show yourself.
Somebody should try to shoot me.
Bro, is this you? No, no, no.
Oh wait, zip line. I found a zip line.
Oh, we win. Who
Let's
was
go.
the?
Wait. Oh no, I wanted to go on the zip line.
Yeah, I told you there was a zipline. You didn't trust me. Okay,
Okay, wait.
let's go to the other server.
Let's go, guys.
Guys, you can see all the servers I have.
I have 1 million in here.
Ooh, one last. We can do something.
Sure.
Bro, I'm lagging hard. Oh shit, I need to show my password to them.
Yeah, so just show it to him. Doesn't matter.
Okay, yeah. Bro, anyways, no one can get to my account.
Okay, so one duel and a parkour duel. Okay. Ux, you there?
Are you sure there's no problem showing them the password?
No, it's no problem.
We can cut it out anyways, okay.
Yeah, but it's fine.
Okay,
it's
first
no
let's do parkour.
Okay, parkour, then the final 1v1.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so guys, yeah, so which map? Jungle?
Jungle, the most OG.
Okay, wait.
Two,
Okay, yeah, I'm giving you a 2 second head start.
one, go.
1,
Bro,
2.
you always do that. Like,
Yeah, so guys, this is a parkour battle between me and Ux.
but he always wins. Like usual.
Come on, guys. I was top 10 like MCCI, like, okay, that.
What? Bro, that was a glitch. That was actually a glitch.
Actually, that was also a glitch for me.
You glitched too?
Yeah, I glitched too.
Bro, now you're ahead of me.
Okay, why can't you see through people?
Okay.
Checkpoint 1 reach. I do have a
The
record.
pressure got to me.
I do have a record of 54 seconds on this map. You just see on this.
Crazy, bro. Bro is actually crazy.
And just as you said that, I missed. But what? He finished jungle in 3 minutes? Oh no, bro. I feel bad
Oh,
for him when he
shit.
went his-
Oh,
God.
shit.
I fell just like you, bro.
Bro, shit.
Okay.
I'm closing players. Now I can't see you.
Wait, what? You know? Okay, I accidentally went into F5, guys. I use F5 for hole in the wall only.
Bro, where are you? Oh, guys.
What? I can't make it. Okay, guys, I just don't have any practice on this map. It's wait. Why am I double jumping? Okay, wait, I gotta stop.
Bro,
double jumping.
ooh. You guys saw that? Oh, bro.
You just walked into me. You're ahead of me, Ux.
I know I'm not.
Wait, you're just right behind me. Okay, you're right behind me. Ux is right behind me, guys.
I literally cannot see him. I'm not. Oh. Bro, do you need to talk? Just
Yeah, I
kidding.
need to talk, bro. It's something that I actually like doing. Wait, what? You can't make that jump? Guys, listen. I have done ladder neos and MCCI. It's fine. I have experience on these things.
Guys, please hit the like button and subscribe button if you think I win. I think he's going to win, but
I won.
yeah, I hate you. That's why I hate you.
I'm coming back. I'm going to lapping.
You are not.
Nah, wait. Okay, let's see if Ux can finish the parkour.
Before he laps.
I lap him.
Bro, okay. Let's be for real. He has played Minecraft for 7 years. I have played for like 3. So if he is able to lap me, then I am noob. If he is not able to lap me, then it's fair.
Wait, what? Ooh, ooh. That was a clean jump on this. Wait, no, before like the slime thing. Okay, okay. I am way too overconfident. I gotta stop doing.
That's fair, right?
Yeah, but I just can't do the momentum jumps. Okay, I'm sneaking. I don't care. I'm actually sneaking on the momentum jumps.
Guys! Guys!
Really? Oh,
Yes!
I just reached.
Yes! I saved my dignity. I saved my dignity. That's let's try Mario once last time. Mario.
Okay, bro. Wait.
It's a short
I'm
map.
completing. I'm completing jungle.
Okay, leave it. Let's go to last duel.
Wait,
I need to
wait,
leave
wait,
now.
wait.
I'm already bored.
Okay,
I
got it.
That we can do some guys. If you
Yeah,
don't
okay.
know, if you didn't know, like I also play like a lot of chess, and I'm going to force
I
this
got
guy
it.
to play
You're not
after
gonna
this
play.
video ends.
Fine, sure. Okay, guys. Now what? The last
Okay.
duel,
No.
last one
Yeah,
we went.
Last duel. Okay, what do you want to play? Warrior,
Yeah. So
normal,
okay, wait. I gotta join. I gotta join. We're gonna do a set of three 1v1s in the kids that Ux likes.
warrior. Let's do warrior.
Warrior. What's up? Warrior best of three go.
3, 2, 1, go. Are you with me? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with you. Oh.
Guys, if you know how bad I am at P3, you know that he's going to win this battle. Like
Mm-hmm.
he's going to win this battle like easy. Look! I can't even land a hit on him. That's how bad it is.
Don't use a sword. It's gonna. It's gonna.
Bro, anyways, I'm going to lose. It doesn't matter. It actually doesn't matter.
Okay, you know what? For Ux Gamer, I'm gonna do this. Okay, he got a free crit on me. I feel bad. Okay, I'm dead. Wait, what? My shield is still
I'm
reloading.
not that bad, okay? I'm not that bad.
Yeah, you're not that bad. Come to my side and fight me.
That was a free crit and I didn't get it, guys.
He got it now. Oh, what? He's good. GG's. Now another kit for rich Ux likes.
Bro, I'm done.
Bro, another kit. You have two more kits to choose.
What is lifesteal? Let
Lifesteal. Bro,
Is
that's
it like
like a.
netherite armor? Does it take too long?
Yeah,
Okay,
it takes
let's
too
go
long
to
and.
normal tank. Normal tank best of three. Obby.
Yeah, let's go,
3,
go.
2, 1, go. Oh, by the way, we are like we are like have a personal private server, and I got a trident and a copper at the same drop
And what about the golden apple that I got?
that you got, right? Enchanted, you mean?
And after that, he told that he's like lucky. Okay, now I'm kidding. Akshay putting up a decent fight. I'm eating my steak. Do you want to eat your steak? Eat your
Yeah.
steak. Eat your steak. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Wait, bro, you can just regen. Wait, you regen? Oh wait, where is he? I okay. I'm actually doing a bad performance today.
Yeah, this is bad performance. You putting me on like half a heart while you are at like 20. Yeah, this is bad performance, sure.
You want, bro? Ux. There you go. Yeah. Take my steak. Take my steak.
It doesn't matter. You're still going to win.
I'm going to let you regen if you get low. Oh, he hit me.
Bro, look, I'm not even landing a hit on him. You know what? I'm leaving. Yeah, just hit me.
No, I won't even hit you now. I feel bad. I feel very bad.
Bro, this guy literally
I
makes
was
me
in
do
F5.
that.
Wait,
This
what?
guy makes me
Where's
do
Ox?
so much PvP, you guys don't understand.
Wait, where's Ox?
And I
Wait,
lose
where
like
is he?
every round until he lets me win, like what he's doing
Okay,
right now.
okay, you can eat your steak now.
I don't want to.
Please just do, bro.
I don't want to.
It's behind me. It's okay. Eat your steak, bro.
I don't want to. Bro, you know how much I hate PvP, right? You still want me to do it when you know it's like I'm not even this desperate for views. I do PvP, bro. You know that. Bro, you're just going to tie it like after running around like 50 times.
Where's Ox? Where is Ox? I actually generally can't see him. Where is Ox? Where's Ox? Okay, he's behind me. And I'm on 4 hearts. Great. Eat your steak, bro. Eat your steak, bro. Please.
Bro, I want to die.
Bro, please eat your steak.
Yeah, just win.
Eat your steak, please,
Just
bro.
win.
Please. I beg you, eat your steak, bro. Eat it entirely. I can't see it. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Yeah, you removed out only half and you did, I know. Okay, he did eat it. Yeah, he won.
He let me win. Like you guys clearly saw he let me win. He thought. I might not be good at PvP, but I'm good at everything else.
Next, guys, Aks will make a prison for me and we both
Oh,
will
I was
like go.
actually thinking that. Can we make it today? Are you free?
Nah, not today, bro. Not much.
I was literally thinking that. I'm not joking.
Okay, bro, eat your steak.
I
Be a
don't
good
want
boy.
to.
You actually eat it. Yeah, sure. You can bring me down to 10 hearts. Bro, I'm not moving.
He's not moving. I'm still hitting my. I'm not hitting my hits. Like I'm literally a
Okay, I'm
skeleton.
dead.
Like
Wait,
skeleton
what?
with swords. Not even a wither skeleton, guys. Like literally just a skeleton.
Oh, it's a close battle. Oh,
Yeah, sure. It's a close battle with you winning.
wait, what? Where is he? Where is he? Okay.
Bro,
I'm
I'm on half
on.
a heart. You can easily hit me
I'm
once.
on 1 heart.
You're on. I'm on half. You need one hit to kill me. I need two. See?
Yeah, bro, I was on 1 heart. You don't need. Okay, fine. Last one for all the marbles. Axe's favorite kit. What is Axe's favorite kit?
Iron. Best of three.
Okay. You know what? I'm pre-gapping for this. I don't even need my golden apples. Actually, this might help Axe. Wait, where am I? Okay, wait. I actually lost you, not gonna lie. If you want, you can eat your gapple.
I already did.
I have 0 gapples remaining. Sir, take these gapples as my peace offering. No, take down your peace offering, sir. Oh, they despawned. Okay, I'm dead. Wait, did you eat a gapple?
Guys, he literally beat me like he was, I think, iron or leather and I was diamond and he beat me.
Wait, what? How am I destroying an F5? Okay. Okay, I'm dead. Wait, what?
Wow, I'm dead.
I don't like Ux now. Fine, Ux, we'll do prison for you.
Not prison PvP, I hate that.
You love prison.
Lifesteal,
Are you?
lifesteal, last.
Fine,
Only
life
best
steal.
of one. Best of one.
Wait,
Three.
wait, wait. What is life steal? What is life steal?
Life steal best of one. Three,
Okay,
two,
go.
one, go. Let's see what is it.
Oh, it's like SMP or something like that.
You know what I'm going to do? He knows.
Oh, crap. It's end up was, of course. Actually, address spam port like dude. I hate Ux. I actually hate this.
Come on, get me, bro. You know what? Get me, get me.
I hate. I don't really play this game anymore. I
Okay.
actually genuinely don't really play
Bye.
this game. He can't hit me. Can he land a bow shot on me? He can. I.
Are you pointing yourself? Wait, wait. I'll do it first. I'll do it first.
I hate. I hate Ux.
Bro, you are literally poisoning yourself. Not if I do myself first.
I don't like if you play like this.
You know
Fine.
I don't like this. Next video we are going to make a prison for this guy.
Okay, wait. Ux, be a good person and fight me like normally.
Iron. Best of one. Three, two, one, go. Best of one. Let's
If
do
he
this.
takes off his armor, I'm destroying.
Bro, you are anyways going to destroy me. There's no denying.
Wait, take my peace offering. Take my peace offering, bro. I take my peace offering. Take it, bro. I want you to take it. Yeah. Now, pre-gap.
I already did.
Gap again. Take a gap again. Yeah, nice. That's good. I'm actually going to die, but it's fine. Sure.
Bro, look. I'm not even hitting one hit on you.
Gap.
Let me get one hit on you.
Gap. Oh, that was a good crit. I'm dead. Oh, I'm on 2 hearts. Can I have a gap, please?
I can die myself. Let's go.
Wait. Can I have a gap, please? Can I have a gap, please? I want 2
I'm going to
hearts.
kill myself before you can kill me.
Ux, why?
Here is a gap. A gap. Here's a gap. Here's a gap.
Bro, please. Okay. What's your health?
Okay, I'll remove my armor. You can fight me there. Now you can fight me safe.
No. Okay, I'm running around. I can't lose to Ux.
You can run, but you can't fight.
Where's actually okay. I knew that.
You can run, but you can't fight.
Okay, Mrs. Witch. I juked him again. Come on, Ux. Destroyed him.
Come here.
Bro, give me a gap, please. I'm begging you.
I literally hate all of them.
Okay. Okay, one last fight. And be a good person, please. You never be a good
3,
person.
2, 1. Iron best of one.
Wait, what? Which one?
Iron best of one.
Okay. Now fine. I will give you one gap as a peace offering.
I don't want it. Let's play fair.
Okay, you
Okay,
want to play
fine.
fair?
Pick up your gap, bro. Pick up your gap. Because there's a gap.
If you want to gap, allow you to gap. I'm going to allow you to gap. Okay, I'm fighting him F5.
You're still going to win, bro.
Gap. You can gap. Are you
Why
full?
do you even play then if you let me live? Like, that's the question. Bro, I'm
How
not
did I-
joking. He literally farms me.
How did
for
I
kills.
get? How did I do that in F5?
Because I'm not good at this game.
Okay, guys. Anyways, next video, Aks is going to make me a prison that I have to escape.
Thank you guys. Thanks for watching and all the best for everything. Thank you.